Alright everybody, so we are back to talk about the Concept 2 rower. This is again for your Model E, and this is your bungee cord replacement. So as you can see here, our bungee cord has snapped. It's actually a pretty easy replacement, but there's a lot of little steps. So when you go into the Concept 2 website, you'll see here that this is a shock cord part 1731, and it's only $5.50, so no need to go making a big repair. This came in pretty quick, so no need for express shipping. Make sure you have your pliers, your Phillips head screwdriver, and your Concept 2 rower screwdriver. Before you get into anything, make sure you take this end piece off here. This will allow you to see the pulley system a little more clear once you turn the rower over. You're going to need to have full visibility underneath, so you're going to need to take the legs of the rower completely off. Again, you're going to use your Concept 2 rower screwdriver here to make sure that all the bolts are taken out, and then you can take the legs off. Once you do that, you'll be able to get access to your bungee cord, and you'll see here that this is how the bungee cord is threaded through. There's two of these hooks on either end of the pulley system. So there's one on the far left, and then there's also one on the far right. And this is how they would be laying on the inside when the cords are attached. So the next steps are pretty intricate, but the cool thing about the Concept 2 website is they have a little diagram here for you to show you exactly how things are laid out. So you can see on the diagram that there are these two things that we mentioned before. These are called, I guess, the scams. And you're going to take your one side of the bungee and thread it through and make sure that that blue piece goes all the way through. We'll do the other side eventually, but we have to make sure that the bungee cord is through the pulley system first. So you're going to start with that left scam, and you're going to thread the bungee all the way down to the bottom. This is your first pulley, and from there you're going to go threading it up around that top pulley. Now this next one is going to have to be threaded through what they call the traveling pulley. This is where the chain is connected to. So this is what's going to be traveling up and down the rower as you're doing your motion. Once you do that, you're going to thread it up around that top pulley on the other side. And then from there, as you see, I'm coming all the way down towards the right side pulley system. Again, there's a lot of little intricate steps here. And once you do that, then you can start to take your scam from the other side and start to wrap around your bungee cord. Now, again, the reason why we didn't do this before is just so we can make sure that we have full accessibility to the full bungee. Now, once you do that, you see here, we have it fully connected to the right side. This is the completion of the pulley system. So like I said, there's lots of little steps, but if you get confused, follow that small diagram that they have on the Concept 2 website. And that is the completion of the Concept 2 Rower Model E bungee replacement. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave some comments below.